Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You already have the essentials: Python and a working environment. First, open your terminal and activate the environment you use for projects. Once activated, type Jupyter Notebook and press Enter. This starts a local server and opens the dashboard in your browser. Make sure to note the server URL and token printed in the terminal in case the browser doesn't open automatically. This step creates the workspace where you can create, manage, and run Python notebooks immediately. Once your dashboard is open, click New and choose Python 3 to create a notebook. You'll see an empty cell. Type Python code and press Shift+, enter to execute, and move to the next cell. Use Markdown cells for headings and explanations so your work is readable. Press M in command mode to switch. Make sure to install any missing packages inside the active environment using pip or conda so imports run smoothly. Save frequently and use checkpoints to avoid lost work. To finish your session, clean up by restarting the kernel or shutting down unused notebooks through the dashboard. This frees memory and avoids variable conflicts. If you need packages, run %pip install inside a notebook cell to ensure the kernel sees them, because using the wrong interpreter causes import error. If the browser fails to connect, copy the URL with the token from the terminal output and paste it into the browser. If things still fail, restart the server and check the terminal.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.